Welcome back to the channel, foodies. Right here I have some red peas that has been soaking overnight. Today we're gonna make some red pea soup. To a separate pot, I'm gonna pour the peas in. Now I'm gonna add 5 cloves of chopped garlic. This will help tenderize the peas and give the soup a lot of flavor. Now right here I have some salted pigtail and some salted beef. Now to a separate pot, I'm gonna add the pigtail and beef to boil to get rid of the excessive salt. Cause trust me, that one is salty bad. If you check out my videos, you will see how I make this homemade salted beef. Yeah. Now, the pigtail and beef has been boiled 3 times. Now it's time to add it to the red peas. I'm going to let this come to a boil until the peas and the meat are tender. Give it a good stir and let this cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, I'm going to add some vegetables. Carrot, chocho, and pumpkin. Give it another good stir again and let this cook down for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, I'm going to add some breadfruit, dasheen, cocoa, turnip. Give this another good stir again and let this cook down for another 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, I'm gonna add to the pot some sweet potato. Give this another good stir again. Yeah. Now I'm gonna add to the pot some yellow yam. Cover the pot and let this cook for 10 more minutes. Now after 10 minutes, I'm gonna add a cup of coconut milk. The soup here got nice. Give it a good stir to incorporate the coconut milk. Cover the pot and let this go and cook down. Now it's time to make the dumpling. 2 cups of flour, half cup of cornmeal, and a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, I found the dough right now. Now the dough is formed. Now it's time to make the dumpling and put in the soup. Yeah. I'm making both round dumplings and spinach dumplings for the soup. Are the best thing this on a cold winter day. Cause trust me, in Canada, cold. For real. Now, I give this a good stir and come in with some pimento seed. To be exact, 2 tablespoons of pimento seed. Followed by some chopped onion, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. Then 5 stalks of chopped green onion. Give this another good stir again. Just like so. Yeah, man. I have to stir up the thing, and cover it. Now right here I have 3-pack cock soup mix. I'm going to sieve the cock soup mix because I don't like the noodle in my soup from the cock soup mix. I like a smooth soup, So I sieve it out and then add it to the pot. Now I'm going to add the cock soup mix to the pot and give it a good stir. Yeah. And now I'm going to add a tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose. Yeah. Followed by half teaspoon of black pepper. Yeah. A teaspoon of salt. Just like that. Oh, that soup you got flavorful. Now I cover the soup and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now guess what food is? After 10 minutes, the soup done. The boat land. Now it's time for plating. Yeah. This is my bowl. I get the first bowl of soup out of the pot. What you expect? Now me cook it. There you have it. Authentic Jamaican red pea soup with pigtail and beef. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. One love. Bless.